Hi, I'm Jim, and welcome back. And I don't know about you, but I find these Camloc fasteners to be kind of a pain in the patoot to put together in the cowl. You can buy a special tool. Being cheap ass that I am, I don't. So I'll show you how I do it, just in case you got the same problem. 2 sockets, 1/4 inch drive. One size doesn't matter because we're just going to slide it into the 1/4 inch side. And this one here is what, 3/8, big enough to go, big enough to go like this. And a pair of pliers, okay? And as usual, I ain't no A&P, so stick that in there. This goes here, this goes here, this goes there. Take my pliers and drop the socket. That's an important step. You don't want to miss that step, for crying out loud. It is awkward holding 12 things at once. There we go. One size up on the pliers would be nice, but there we go. Once you get it lined up, it goes pretty smooth. So, yeah, that's what you need. Bigger pair of pliers, couple sockets, and we're good to go.